Kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making waffles. Now I prefer these waffles to Eggos. If you have a waffle iron at home, this is a great alternative to Eggos, the frozen waffles. And you can make it really easy with little ingredients. The trick to making these so fluffy is to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. Then you're going to want to whisk the egg white until it looks like marshmallow fluff, basically until it holds its shape. And you're going to want to save the egg yolks for later. You'll want to only whisk it just until it looks nice and fluffy, and this will make it less dense. If you need help separating your egg yolks from your egg whites, we did a quick little video about it up above. We just scraped ours into a smaller bowl so we can use this big mixer for our other wet ingredients. Now you're going to want to mix your dry ingredients together. It's no secret, just put it in a bowl, mix it together so the salt and baking powder are well combined. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients in the bowl. It doesn't matter if there's egg white in there because it's going to all mix together eventually. And you're going to want to mix it well so the egg yolk is nicely mixed through. Now that you think it's all nice mixed through, you're going to want to put it down to a slow speed so flour doesn't go up in your face like it did to me when I was 5. There's your nice batter. You're going to want to fold in. Make sure when you're folding them in, obviously we've sped it up here, but you're going to want to make sure you fold it in slowly so you don't ruin perfect fluffy bubbles that you had. If you don't have a waffle iron at home, you can often find them at thrift stores. Just make sure to give it a nice clean. Our waffle maker takes about half a cup of batter per waffle. My dad and I, we like to put it in each little square so each one has enough, otherwise you get tiny little waffles and it's really annoying. Wait till it's done. Obviously you're going to want to wait till it's done and then enjoy. The waffles are quite good, as I said before. They're fluffy, great for breakfast, great for a snack. When I get home after school, I normally have waffles with whipped cream and strawberries because why not? It's delicious and school is exhausting, let's be honest. If you're not eating the waffles right away, make sure to put it on a cooling rack so they don't get soggy. And you put it in a freezer bag and you can pop it in the freezer. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Strawberries and cream or maple syrup and cream. Tell us down below what you normally have on your waffles.